development helps me improve my personality development, which makes me feel ready for every change. Hi, I'm Marisol Tanuecos, Senior Loans Processing Officer of Lucent Evermore Estate Development Incorporated. Nalaman ko yung oportunidad ng Lotus Development way back 2018. Nung nakita ko yung poster banner nila sa second floor ng Lotus Mall. Nagdalawang isip pa ako noon na ihulog yung application ko sa Dropbox kasi baka hindi naman siya mapansin. But then again, I grabbed the opportunity and here I am. Parte na ako ng Lucent Evermore Estate ngayon. Unforgettable experience sa akin ay yung mga activities ni Lotus Development like Christmas parties at iba pang activities kung saan nabibigyan kami ng oportunidad para maipakita ang mga kakayahan namin sa pag-acting at sa mga pagsayaw. Ganon din yung mapabilang ako sa backup model ng FB page ng Paseo Verde. Kahit camera shy ako, na-overcome ko yon dahil sa tulong ng Lucent family ko. Nagkaroon din sa akin ng impact yung laging ma-recognize sa mga nagagawa kong accomplishments. Mas namomotivate ako gumawa pa at magtrabaho ng maayos. Bukod sa parents, ang anak at ang asawa ko ang nagiging motivation ko araw-araw para bumangon at harapin ng kinabukasan. Naisa sa buhay ko ang core values ng Lotus Development by providing opportunities to those families who wants to have or acquire a home in Paseo Verde that promotes and builds sustainable green communities in the country. Hindi may iwasang ma-encounter mo yung mga irate na clients at yung mga clients na against sa policy ng company. Pero dahil sa tulong ng immediate superior ko, naiparating at naipaintindi ko sa client yung mga maaaring solusyon na hindi naapektuhan ng company policy. Personal growth is important that helps me improve my qualities, boost my self-esteem, and ready to improve every day. It helps me to have confidence in resolving a problem and attain a certain goal. The things I learned from working here at Lotus Development is to always have patience, because having patience is a vital quality in a workplace. It avoids conflicts and reduces stress, which leads into harmonious relationship between colleagues. It helps me to be resilient, to face challenges and attain goals not only in work but also in my everyday living.